Hi! Welcome back! Welcome, my dearest daughter and another dearest daughter. Hi, everybody! This is Munchkin and Cupcake. Our muffin is...
Mama, she daughter. Walking baby, she daughter.
Yes, and I'm the mother. And after 20 minutes of baking our muffin in the oven, it's finally ready for you, for me, and for Shobe. Yes. Why don't we eat it? Yay!
Meow eat?
Yes. Later na si Daddy kasi...
Meow eat, ma. Meow eat, ma.
Mommy and Bebe share na lang. Why don't you eat your muffin and let's see how it tastes. Masarap.
It's raw
Bebe.
like masarap. Shouting.
Masarap. Champion. So, we hope to see you next time in our next baking demonstration. Bye-bye!